That chirping sound is him calling for a mate. But no one answered, and he was all alone. Until now, they cautiously approach one another. If she likes him, they will breed. If she doesn't, she will eat him. Or maybe both. Their fate now lies in the dark. He didn't make it through the night. But his sacrifice was not in vain. The female found a soft patch of ground where she began to lay. It looks like he'd passed on his genes to a new generation. Now his body would not be wasted as the ants began to swarm. And underground, they were forming an empire. Their population was completely unchecked, and I needed to introduce an ant predator. Meet the antlion, and here are 4 more. They may be small in size, but they have big plans.